My labs work on a Drosophila visual system. Basically, there are two parts in my labs. One is try to figure out how a visual circuit assemble using the Drosophila as a model system. And the other aspect of that, which is probably most relevant to the Scientifica area of research, is to try to parse out how visual circuit function in order to extract visual attributes from the outer environment and inform animal behavior.
And we've been helping out with various courses at Courseman Harbour over the years. Are you able to tell us a bit about the purpose of this particular course?
Oh, certainly. So I'm now also an organizer, one of the organizers for the Drosophila Neurobiology course at the Courseman Harbour Laboratory. And before I started as an organizer 3 years ago, I was also been teaching in this course. So this is actually my 10th years in this course, and I've been using various equipment and throughout the course history that support the course.
Excellent.
Yeah.
And how important is it to have support from vendors like Scientifica and others?
It's absolutely crucial. So obviously, this course running by Courseman Harbour cannot really be, completely self-supported. So each year we get in, a couple $1 million worth of the equipment from various vendors to support this course. And obviously we get the best benefit out of this. And we also feel in that this also allows us have opportunity to also showcase this equipment for other students and faculty running through this course. So I think this is actually a mutually beneficial situation, but we are, terribly happy with all the years that Scientifica has been supporting, including the electrophysiology part as well as the imaging part of the course.
You touched on it there. What Scientifica helps out with at this course?
Yes.
Is there anything in particular that you're able to do because you have Scientifica equipment here?
Yes. So I would say from my own part, with the imaging aspect of that, Scientifica really able to introduce the two-photon system in this course, and that really make a huge difference for the students, because now two-photon imaging has become a very general aspect in Drosophila neurobiology, and for students to be able to actually have first-hand experience on the two-photon scope and learning the basic about two-photon imaging, I think is tremendous for the course. I think it's come hand in hand. It's not just sort of come in and praise the equipment, but I think that really the best part about Scientifica is that to be able to bring in a supporting crew. So we're not just getting the equipment, we're actually getting the real training on the scope and to really be able to make the best use of the scope. I think that's what we're excited about Scientifica's support.
Excellent. And it doesn't take much convincing to get people over here to spend some time here in the summer.
I'm glad to hear.
Well, thank you very much for taking the time to speak with me.
Certainly.
And we look forward to working with you for many more years to come.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.